Wildcats, Mr. Graber here, and today we are announcing our winners for December. So we're going to start with our third grade award, which is our Service Above Self, which goes to one third grader who goes above and beyond. Just a reminder that this is sponsored by our Rotary Club. So our third grader for our Service Above Self award this month, or for December, goes to Amelia LePage. Our next awards are Wildcats of the Month Award, which are sponsored by our Harrisonville Police Department. So our two first grade winners are Nash Bursilovich and Florence McKenna Lewis. Our second grade Wildcats of the Month are Genevieve Oldham and Briar Warner. And our third grade Wildcats of the Month are Leo Teeter and Oakley Gibbons. So congratulations to all those Wildcats of the Month. And finally, we have our Counselor Award, which is an award that myself or Mrs. Sumner picks every month. So for this month, I have selected the second grade classroom of Mrs. Castellano. So congratulations to Mrs. Castellano students for winning the Counselor Award.
Now it's time to do our Character Trait Awards for the month of December. The Character Trait Awards are given to two students chosen by their classroom teacher who have exhibited empathy during the month of December. The recipients are compassionate and kind to their classmates. Congratulations to our Character Award winners for December. They are Lindsay Wilson, Keller Williams, Titan Chastain, Abigail Davis, Cash Ryder, Jabria Spratt, Olive Hodges, Aiden Peak, Hudson Hargrave, Hattie Stevens, Emily Smading, Sebastian Zaror Guzman, Tyson Phillips, Persephone Woodford, Charlotte Arnold, Lily Sharp, Ben Miller, Melena McCubbin, Aiden Sharp, Layla Johnston, Emma Woolery, Wyatt Delp, Madison Cavender, Landon Hessenflow, Riley Cave, Kylie Johnson, William Gunnert, Lily Faye Smith, Nora Davis, Jackson Gregory, Cammie Downey, Madeline Malone, Abel Cass, Skylar LaPlante, Corbin Huff, Gage Butler, Lonnie Garcia Soto, Corbin Hackler, Taylor Calloway, Caleb Holt, Corbin K. Grice, Gavin Gunner, Ava Gaddis, and Annalise Reish. Congratulations to our Character Trait Award winners for December. Good afternoon, Wildcats. Today I would like to present to you the Mathematician of the Month for the month of December. This award is given to one student chosen by their classroom teacher that has done an outstanding job with math over the past month. Whether in-class participation, assignments, or practice, they have gone above and beyond what was expected to achieve more in math. Today we are presenting awards to our December mathematicians. Congratulations to our recipients. They are Carly Clausen, Bryson Davis, Brantley Rusk, Lane Stevens, Landon Sloan, Eli Weidenman, Georgie Kaufman, Jack O'Connell, Zahara Alessi, Hayden Ausdorf, Allison Hall, Bailey Deerdorf, Walter Wiseman, Eli Sharp, Jackson Gregory, Connor Chastain, Levi Pendleton, Ivy Calloway, Marley Courtney, Cash DeShazer, Elio Ramirez, and Matthew Forbes. Congratulations, mathematicians.
Hi Wildcats, this is Mrs. Wallman in the library, and as I was looking at what class to choose, as we've talked about our library goals and what you can do when you're in the library, I was looking at that as far as selecting a class. So I choose Mrs. Snyder's first grade class for the December Library Award. Congratulations.
Good morning, HES. Coach Weichel here. I'm here to present the Sportsmanship Award for this month. This month, the class award goes to Miss Harrigan's class. Congratulations, guys. You did awesome this month. For our third grade, we have Sora Lynn Castro and Klein Slicer. Nice job, guys. Second grade, Bryson Hyman and Era Shreve. Good job. And first grade, McKenna Rushley and Brogan Witherspoon. You guys all did awesome, and congratulations to all those that won the award.
Hi Wildcat family, it's Mrs. Henderson in the art room, and today I have the Art in the Community artists that I want to recognize. Their artwork has been up since December 15th, actually November 15th, and it's going to stay up until January 15th at the Community Center. So if you're at the Community Center, you might see these wonderful pictures up for a few more days. I want to congratulate Mitchell Menino, Zahara Alessi, Jojo Klinger, Calvin Culpepper, and Lily Sharp as our first grade artist. For third grade, we have Bradley Thornton, Brinley Terwilliger, Ethan Katara, Reese Cooper, Lydia Conrad, and Kara Widner. Thank you, Wildcat artists, for doing your best and sharing your talents with our community through Art in the Community. I also want to congratulate first grade classroom award winner, and that is Miss Holman's class. Thank you guys so much for growing together, showing great teamwork and awesome creativity in your projects. I'll see you soon.
Hi Wildcat families. Here we are, January 2022, and it's that time of the month again to present some special music awards to some students who were working really hard during the month of December. So I'm going to start with the class awards today. The Bravo Board winners for third grade was Mrs. Arbace's class. In second grade, the winners were Mrs. Castellano's class. And for first grade, the winners this month were Mrs. Jackson's class. Great job, kids. Now for the individual music star awards. In Miss Arbace's class, congratulations to Ruby Rose. In Miss Baldwin's class, Mackenzie Soderstrom. In Mr. Barasco's class, Rucker Noel. In Mrs. Hammond's class, Leo Teeter. In Miss Hassick's class, Bailey Deerdorf. In Miss Hayden's class, Ava Stevens. In Mrs. Hopper's class, Drake Dubray. In Mrs. Castellano's class, Jabriel Besserell. In Mrs. Durnell's class, Easton Allen. In Miss Harrigan's class, Naomi Gaskins. In Mrs. Hastings' class, Genevieve Oldham. In Mrs. Schenker's class, Reagan Middleton. In Mrs. Siegenthaler's class, Colton Sanders. And in Mr. Wade's class, Annalise Resch. In our first grade classes, starting with Mrs. Arnold's class, congratulations to David Grave. In Mrs. Brown's class, congratulations to Brecklin Wilson. In Miss Eccles' class, Athena Parnell. In Miss Florence's class, McKenna Lewis. In Miss Holman's class, Maggie Love. In Mrs. Jackson's class, Kinsley Brown. In Mrs. Mitchell's class, Cody Vanover. And in Mrs. Snyder's class, Emily Bowman. Good work, Wildcats.